what you've done to, nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside a victory. That's our destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belong there. I figure it makes sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. They got me through lies, their minds as cold as ice, and someone went out here, losing someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's evil and it's plain. Why should I complain? But tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name?